Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The 18th edition of the Savio Camp, the camp for altar boys from all 6 Slovenian dioceses, ended on 15th August at the Salesian St. Francis de Sales School in Zelim. From 11 to 15th August, over 100 altar boys discovered the beauty and depth of faith, celebrating Holy Mass together, praying before the Blessed Sacrament and meeting Jesus in the Sacrament of Confession. The Savio Camp, held under the direction of Father Gaspar Otherin, SDP, together with Salesian youth and leaders, also offered numerous social and sporting activities in which the youngsters were able to make new friends. The phenomenon of street children in Nigeria is something that is always too little talked about. This is very extensive phenomenon which in the city of Lagos alone, the most populous city with its 24 million inhabitants, affects about 1 lakh children. To respond to the needs of these children, the Salesians run the Bosco Home Child Protection Center in Lagos. The situation they face is not simple. First of all, a differentiation must be made between street children, those who live on the streets of Lagos, and minors who are forced to beg or steal during the day but who still have a home to return to every night. These two phenomena combined together generate very high numbers of children forced into insecurity, theft, delinquency, or pickpocketing. What generates this sad reality is extreme poverty, neglect, abuse, and domestic violence. Moher Nando in Guadalajara is hosting a course for leaders with skills in leisure animation of Salesians from St. James the Greater Province SSM. Alaris in Orense is hosting the course for rectors. A total of 116 young people are therefore dedicating part of their summer to preparing for the education of other young people and the management of youth centers. In the course for leaders, participants receive lessons on subjects related to childhood, developmental psychology, the maturity of the person in all its dimension, relationships and social skills, legislation and the civil and criminal responsibility of leaders. All this from a Christian and biblical perspective with reference to Salesian Youth Ministry, the journey of education to the faith, the preventive system and accompaniment. The formation of rectors, on the other hand, focuses on management, strategy, organization, leadership, management skills and planning. Without forgetting accompaniment and reflection on groups, voluntary work and free time as an educational space and as a safe environment for children and teenagers. Don Bosco Institute of Career Excellence (DICE), a significant step towards career advancement and skill development, was inaugurated on August 23rd at Don Bosco Arts and Science College, Chennai, affiliated with the University of Madras. The inauguration of DICE marks a promising milestone in education and skill development. Poised to revolutionize how individuals approach their careers, DICE was inaugurated with the blessings and encouragement of Father Don Bosco, the Salesian Provincial of Chennai, the chief guest of the day, Father Maria Charles SDB, and CA John Morris, the guest of honor. Father Maria Charles SDP emphasized the importance of skill development in today's competitive world, expressing optimism about DICE's potential to shape individuals into industry leaders. CA John Morris lauded the institution's holistic approach to education by imparting knowledge and fostering personal growth and self-confidence. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.